The Bella Vista RV family truly cares about you and your home away from home. We carry and service a vast selection of top-quality trailers and motorhomes that will fit every lifestyle and every budget. Visit us online to see Bruno's ever-popular RV walkthrough videos.
Ceramic tiles throughout.
We're 10 minutes north of Barrie on Highway 11.
Bruno from Bella Vista here. Today we're going to take a look at a new arrival. This is a 2021 Shadow Cruiser 239 RBS. The great thing about this 239 RBS is it's an ultralight trailer weighing in at just under 5,300 pounds and has a cargo capacity of almost 2,400 pounds, telling us that this unit is built on nice big heavy axles that are Dexters, self-adjusting brakes to make it easy and save you money on maintenance. Now, some great features of the Shadow Cruiser. This is a 5-sided aluminum construction. Not only are your sidewalls front and back aluminum, but so are your roof trusses. If you're in the market for a trailer and they say that the trailer is aluminum framed, ask, is it all 5 walls? Many times you're going to find out it's only 2 or 4 walls and they'll still use wood in the roof. If you're paying for aluminum, you want all aluminum. Now, our roof, on top of having aluminum trusses, is a TPO roof. Again, less maintenance, saves you money, saves you time, so you can camp more. We have a beautiful fiberglass cap that's painted. Massive storage compartments, largest in the industry. Extra large passage doors that are magnetically held up, and they're slam latch. So, let go, and you notice it closes. Now, since we've closed it, nice little feature here, key to light. What does that mean, folks? Key to light means this compartment, the front door, as well as the compartment with your outside kitchen, which we'll look at in a moment, all have the same key. No generic keys for a Shadow Cruiser. Keep any nosy neighbors out of your gear, and when you go away to explore, you don't have to worry somebody's opening up and getting in there. Now, a great feature that I like, when you look down, nice clean storage compartment, aluminum rails supporting our bed. That is plywood supporting the bed as well, not chipboard. And the reason for that is our floors are tongue and groove plywood here. Now, great new feature for Shadow Cruiser is their hidden storage compartment. So when we look here, nice big open storage compartment. We grab this metal lid, flip it up, make connection. You notice the light turned on that end, and we have a recessed tray. And that tray goes across, as you notice here, the majority of the storage compartment. We grab the little lip, give it a pull, and out comes our gear. So we get 2 for the price of 1 storage. Absolutely great idea. Somebody's been super smart thinking about that. Nice big power awning with LED lights. We even have power tongue jack and power stabilizers. So push of a button, down come our jacks, and you'll notice how quick are those jacks coming down on us. And our front end is elevated a little higher than it normally would be here. So we just simply push, no more hand cranking, no more running to the truck for our cordless drill, finding out our batteries are done and we need to charge it. You know, there's our jacks. One side's come down, the other side you'll notice is coming down. It starts to make contact and boom, we're done. How easy is that? Sure steps, nice solid steps here. Aluminum rims with self-adjusting brakes, and a nice big outside kitchen. I like to cook when I camp, unfortunately a little too much, but that's a different story for another day. But we have this great kitchen, nice cooktop. We've got our fridge, sink that's actually plumbed into the holding tank, and some nice big storage with shelves. And some power there as well. Our water heaters are gas electric, and this unit also has backup camera prep. Now, our underbellies are sealed and heated, So there's forced air ducts that run down to the holding tank and actually blows hot air across the holding tank. Let's take a look inside. Nice big handle for when we're coming in. And first thing that Shadow Cruiser's done, as this 239 is a brand new floor plan, is taken one of the most popular features out of their 260, 277 trailers, which is this big pantry closet. So you'll notice nice deep drawers. There's even a light in here. There's a power plug in case you're going to put some appliance there. We have hooks to hang brooms, sweeper, whatever it might be. And this is large enough you can get a good 2 sets of golf clubs in there and still have space. As we swing around, big U-shaped dinette in the slide out. And look at the size of the windows. Massive windows, letting in lots of light. Big 12-volt fridge, and it's stainless steel. Nice and easy to get into. Nice and deep. And like your fridge at home, look at the adjustable shelf there for those tall items. Because I can tell you, I'm an RVer, and how many times have I gone when I've been down to the US before the pandemic and I'm buying a big jug of milk. I want to put in a nice white bottle of wine if I feel like white tonight, get it chilled, and I can't stand it up. The shelving space isn't big enough, so they've put an adjustable shelf to give you that extra flexibility. Nice large sink that's recessed just like your home is going to have, and it's a stainless steel sink, double wide. You do have some lights. I haven't turned them on here, but you do have some lights. We have a recessed range. So look at that grill. Nice heavy grill. So if you're using big pans, they're really well supported. As well, we reach down here, turn on a button. We've got accent lighting on our knobs. We even have a light inside the oven. And if you only want to see the knobs, turn the button the other way and only the knobs light up. When you're ready to prep, and if you're like me, I like to do a lot of barbecuing for lunch and dinner, take the glass top, fold it down, and now we have extra prep space. Our microwave is just above, and you'll notice really good drawers and doors. Now, underneath our entertainment, we have some extra storage, DVD player, our main command center, and then our TV. Now this TV is an option, so on this 239 it has been optioned in. And then LED accent lighting behind the TV. So you can sit at night, and instead of sitting in the dark, you got a little bit of lighting. Now RBS stands for rear bath. When we walk into this rear bath, take a look at the space we have here. Just an abundance of space. Good storage, good countertop, medicine cabinet. Hello everyone. Nice big corner shower, residential style. Skylight above if you're really tall. Even little features like the little step. So for the ladies when they shave. As we get a little closer, you notice the surround has a ceramic tile type of look, and it's even textured when you touch it. Behind the door, we have more storage. And above here, look at the amount of storage that we have here. Just a massive compartment. As we turn around, let's take a look. Now, a couple of things to point out. When you're shopping for trailers, what you'll want to do, and I'll come here so you can see the ceiling, you're going to want to look, is it a single air conditioning duct run or a double? And what I mean by that is you'll notice this is an air conditioning outlet. There's our air conditioner, and over here is another. So what happens is the air conditioners are set up to push air out the side of the air conditioner on both sides. Many manufacturers only use one. They'll push it out on this side, run it down the center of the coach, and that's it. And you're not getting the full efficiency of the air conditioner. So with Shadow Cruiser, they're using both sides. There's our right side, there's our left. So you're going to get better air circulation. Now as we make our way up, you're going to notice king beds. Something new that Shadow Cruiser's gone over to in the last while It's a king bed. Now, the one issue that there have been with king beds in the trailer industry is that they can normally make things really narrow and tight and hard to get to. So Shadow Cruiser has done a couple of things. This Shadow Cruiser is set up, and all Shadow Cruisers are set up with a slide system that is unique to Shadow Cruiser. And what I mean with that is I'm going to come to the side, we're going to focus to the top of the bed, and watch me move the bed. And I'm not pushing the mattress. It is not a trick. The whole frame has moved. So you're going to see the amount of space here. Let's look down underneath. When we look down underneath, you're going to see that frame has actually moved. And for traveling, there's a lock right here that pins in here so that your bed isn't sliding side to side. As well, no more lifting the bed. We have a big, massive storage compartment under the bed that you can slide your gear in or out. We have had feedback from the factory that customers have given them feedback that dogs love this space, cats love this space. Power plug right there. Now, I can come up, I can reach, and I'm not super tall, but I can reach to the top of the bed to make the bed. Then I can come over to this side. You'll notice it's all the way over to the wall. We can simply take that, reach down. You notice I'm just reaching down, give it a gentle push. And now on the right side, we can get gear really easily. We can get in, we can make up the bed. Now it's all the way to the other side. So just a great system for being able to get in and out. And then when the bed's done, put it in the center, ready to go to sleep. Shadow Cruisers are known for their solid pocket doors in their bedrooms so that you do have privacy when you have guests. As well, extra storage here in the bedroom because you can never have enough storage. Final item, they are using Azdale in their construction. So Azdale has replaced Luan. Luan is a wood product that when you have fiberglass sides has occasionally known to pick up moisture, or if in the construction process everything wasn't perfect, it can cause delamination. When you go to Azdale, Azdale is a composite product. Has been used for a number of years. Shadow Cruiser has started using it in their construction. That eliminates the chance that you lose a window seal, or maybe the wood was the Luan was a little too moist or a little too dry that day when the wall was made. You don't worry about that with Azdale. If Luan is too wet or too dry, it doesn't bond with the glues properly. So you eliminate items like that. Just a great feature. So if you're in the market for an ultra lightweight, looking for a couples unit that gives you big living in a small space, take a look at this 2021 Shadow Cruiser 239 RBS. Again, weighing in at about 5,300 pounds with about 2,400 pounds of cargo. I don't think you're going to go wrong. For more information on this unit, please visit our website at www.bellavistarv.com. If you liked the video, please click the like button below and feel free to subscribe. If you subscribe and you hit that little bell button below, we'll notify you of new videos as they're posted here on the great Shadow Cruiser and other products like our Holiday Rambler motorhomes, our Georgetown motorhomes, and you'll be really, really impressed with those videos as well. This is Bruno from Bella Vista saying thank you for viewing the video. Have yourself a great, safe, and happy camping season.